Love, bro. It's a warm Benny. Benny.
What's up, dog? Look, big dogs in the house, dog. Everybody ain't win on this. We CCC squad.
So you guys, so for those of you
More
who
videos
are
coming
not
soon.
in high school,
So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm back. Benny.
What?
Look.
Hey, we back. We just got done with the conference. That thing was, what, like 3 hours?
Bro.
It was like 3 hours. John put on a kick-ass performance. If we
Yeah.
can get on video, we'll have to show you.
Yeah.
It's pretty lit though.
Hi. Welcome to Billy Mays. I came back.
No.
He said no.
But we all did good though.
Hey, we finna
Sammy
go to-
did good. Say hi, Sammy.
The presentation was lit though.
Hey, we about to go to the Cheesecake Factory too.
I forgot about that.
Dude.
Hey,
a couple
you like
hours.
cheesecake? You guys like cheesecake?
I haven't tried cheesecake, but I want to try some already.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
I'll make sure he blogs.
Yeah, we will. Wait, so we're actually going inside of a factory with cheesecake?
Yes.
Like there's gonna be machinery everywhere.
Oh no.
Yeah, we all know Sammy. She's a little shy. She's like, Sammy, you have a deep sweetness and a kindness. And I'm so proud of you for being here and for following through on this and for being present and really coming out of your shell. Isn't she brave?
Yeah.
You are brave, Sammy.
I want to say something.
Can I say something too? Okay, all right, cool.
Okay, Sammy, you said to us before this trip you didn't want to come. Now that you've been here and broken out of your shell, did you like it?
Yes. So I want to say thank you for letting us be here, Miss. And you are the best. You too, Miss Emily.
Well, you guys are awesome, and you did a fabulous job. And you know what? You just taught a lot of people from around the country about self-directed IEPs, and you're going to change the lives of a lot of kids.
I want to do this for a long time. I want to see if we can get out there to the world everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
No, thank you.
You guys take care.
Back with the vlog. We leaving.
Yo, we're going to head into the Cheesecake Factory.
We're leaving, man. We
It's
gotta
our
say goodbye
last
to this
day.
hotel.
We'll come
Hey,
back
we
in the
going-
future,
hey,
though. We'll come
Hey,
back.
we going to the Cheesecake Factory, though.
Yeah, we're going to Cheesecake Factory. He's gonna be late.
I'm ready to try some cheesecake.
Sammy, let's go, y'all. Oh, let me don't get stuck. He got stuck, bro.
Don't stop again. Keep going.
Hi, Sammy. All right, let's go. Oh, man, it's a beautiful day outside. It's cold. Beautiful. You said what? It is cold. Where's our bus, Sammy?
Yes.
Whoa, she said up there. Can't reach up there yet. Come this way. Wanna hang on to me? Hang on to me. Come here.
Where are we going?
We're going to the bus, Sammy. The bus is right there. But yeah, today's our last day. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna miss you. But yeah, but now it's time to go to the Cheesecake Factory. See y'all there. Back on the bus. Ooh, we in this.
We're going to Cheesecake Factory.
The shade, Benny.
On the way to the Cheesecake Factory.
Look.
Cheesecake!
Look, tell the shade look.
Seatbelts.
It's lit. Bro, look at my quality. Ooh.
Okay. You guys see I
Hit
broke
that
my
wall.
nail there? I broke my nail.
Where's your nail now?
I don't know, somewhere in my pants. Probably.
Why? You said, oh yeah, you're gonna get done.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it done again.
No, Lachey, don't be scared now.
No, I'm not scared. I'm gonna put my headphones in and jam to my music.
Oh, Lachey, tell what you did today. You did good. You did good.
I did good, I guess. I don't really care anymore. It's over now.
Okay, the feeling is gone now. Ooh, that lighting though. It's a bumpy ride though.
Let me see it just. Push it up, yeah. Wobble, baby, 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 wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Bro, is that gonna be funny on the thing?
Yeah,
Think you back it up.
Back, Benny. We back.
Hey, we back. Cheesecake Factory.
Mr. Jiggly already know, man.
Oh, I stole a pen. Oh, that's a Sharpie. Never mind.
A mark.
You want my autograph here?
You would too. Alright, you ready to go in here and be lit, Benny? It's not cool. Come on, Benny. We're back. We at the Cheesecake Factory here, Benny. Let's get it in.
Let's go. This mall is huge.
Bro, it is. Bro, I feel famous. Should have brought my speaker and started dancing. Oh, Mr. Perez is here. So, Mr. Perez, how you feeling?
Say YouTube.
Oh, man, where's the light? Where's the light? Dang, the light's bad. Oh, well. Back, bro.
Oh, this place is lit.
No. Anyway.
Look at it, John. Show me.
Oh, yeah, we gotta show him. We gotta show him. I'm back. I'm with Sammy. Hey, Sammy, get there.
He did.
Yeah, he's going on.
It's what Auto. Brianna. Brianna. It's alright. She's shy.
Reese. You gonna be in that video.
It's lit though.
I want you.